Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Chris from Garage Bagger Stereo sent me over one of his Shimmy covers to test. And then this cover is made for street glides and road glides that have aftermarket radios like the Sony 5000 to 7000, or any aftermarket radio it works with. So it allows you to protect the radio while still being able to see through the cover. And it makes the radio really water resistant. So he sent it over to us for us to try out. Most of the bikes that we do, we keep the factory radio on, and this is made for an aftermarket radio. So I reached out to one of our very good clients, Alex, and I gave him the cover to try. We actually don't have a hose here at the shop, so I wanted Alex to go home the next time he washed the bike to really get on it. Alex went a little overboard. I appreciate it. I wouldn't do it to my bike, but check out this video of the cover in action, and holy crap, does it work well. Thanks, Chris, for sending it to us and providing us with an awesome product. Thank you, Alex, for risking the life of your radio and testing it out for us. I thought Alex was going to sprinkle a little bit of water on it. He hosed this damn thing down. Check it out.
Radio's still dry.